turn on the two speakers first. But don't use Bluetooth just yet. Hold down one of the Bluetooth keys for another 2 seconds. At this point, you can connect with your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and we look for this device to select pairing. Don't worry. It'll take some time to search. The concatenation function makes the sound more three-dimensional. Alright, we got it. Put on a song.
And the blood will dry.